Give meanings: dismay, great disappointment. Alley, a narrow passage between or behind buildings. Attic, a very small room inside a pointed roof. Scampered, ran here and there. Overcome, succeed in dealing with a problem. Put up with, tolerate. Mouser, an animal that catches mice. Plague, here a thing that causes great trouble. Knighted, given a highly honored title. Arrange the following set of words in the alphabetical order in your notebook: ship, small, successful, scoldings, stone, saving, someone, stood, streets, still, screamed, sat, seemed, saint, share. Saint, sat, saving, scoldings, screamed, seemed, share, ship, small, someone, still, stone, stood, streets, successful. Remove the affixes, prefix and suffix and write the root word. Successful, success. Immediately, immediate. Retrace, trace. Mouser, mouse. Unfriendly, friendly. Fallen, fall. Unkind, kind. Wooden, wood. Luckily, luck. Belonging, belong. Find from the story one word for the following: a small room just below a sloping roof. Attic, a very narrow passage between buildings. Alley, the highest ranking officer in the municipality of a city, town. Mayor, the highest ranking official who commands a ship. Captain, any animal that catches mice. Mouser, a low constant sound made by cats. Purr. Make sentences of your own using the following expressions: overcome, we must learn to overcome any difficulties we come across. Put up with, we had to put up with the noisy behavior of our neighbor's son. Bargain, people in India love to bargain with hawkers. Rearrange the following events as they occur in the story. Put the correct number in the boxes. Mr. Fitzwarren provided shelter to Dick. Number 4. A carter gave Dick a lift to London. Number 2. A cat sailed to the African coast. Number 6. The captain sold a cat for a very high amount of money. Number 8. Dick left his village on foot to go to London. Number 1. Dick became rich and later the mayor of London. Number 9. Dick was homeless, helpless, cold and hungry. Number 3. Dick bought a cat to get rid of the mice. Number 5. The rats and mice ate up all the dinner laid for the king and queen. Number 7. Think and answer. What decision taken by Dick changed his fortune? On hearing the church bells send out a message to him, Dick decided to retrace his steps and go back to Mr. Fitzwarren's house instead of running away. This decision changed Dick's fortune. What message does this story bring out for youngsters? The message that this story brings out for youngsters is that we must not run away from difficulties but face them bravely. Break the words below into syllables as shown in the first one. Belonging, belonging. Unfriendly, unfriendly. Anything, anything. Difficulty, difficulty. Captain, captain. Morning, morning. Citizen, citizen. Message, message. mayor, mayor, elected, elected. Complete the table of degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Great, greater, greatest. Famous, more famous, most famous. Easy, easier, easiest. Bad, worse, worst. Poor, poorer, poorest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Little, less, least. Worthy, worthier, worthiest. Popular, more popular, most popular. Answer the following questions. What innocent belief made Dick decide to go to London? The innocent belief that the streets of London were paved with gold made Dick decide to go to London. What hardships did he face on arriving in London? Dick arrived in London just before nightfall. He had no place to sleep and he finally slept in the corner of a narrow lane. The following morning, Dick woke up feeling cold, miserable, and hungry. He begged for food, but people shouted at him and hit him angrily on his head. He finally collapsed and lay there, too weak to look further for food. How did Mr. Fitzwarren favor Dick? Mr. Fitzwarren favored Dick by ordering the cook to take him into the kitchen, feed him, and then find some work for him. What difficulties did Dick have to face at Mr. Fitzwarren's house? Dick had to face two difficulties in Mr. Fitzwarren's house. They were: the attic where he slept was overrun by rats and mice, preventing him from sleeping. The cook was bad tempered and shouted and screamed at Dick, scolding him and hitting him with a wooden spoon even when he was working as hard as he could. How did the cat prove to be very useful? The cat proved to be very useful because it chased away all the rats and mice, allowing Dick to sleep peacefully. What inspired Dick to return back to Mr. Fitzwarren's home? When Dick sat down on a stone to rest, he heard the church bells ringing. As he listened, it seemed that they were ringing a message for him, telling him that he should go back home and calling him the Mayor of London. Why was the captain of the ship so overjoyed? The captain of the ship was overjoyed because the cat was an excellent mouser and so he had no trouble with rats and mice on his voyage. What happened when food was brought in at the palace? The captain sent a message to the king to say he had fine goods for sale and he was invited to the palace to show them. While he was talking to the king and queen, some dishes of food were brought in, but almost immediately rats and mice ran up and before the captain's eyes ate all the food. Why was the queen afraid of the cat? The queen was afraid of the cat because she had seen how fiercely it had attacked the rats and the mice. How much did the king pay for the cat? The king paid 10 times the sum for the cat that he had paid for the whole cargo from Mr. Fitzwarren's ship. What changes had the cat brought to Dick's life? In the beginning, the cat helped Dick sleep peacefully at night by chasing away all the rats and mice that ran about in the attic. Later, as it was a good mouser, it was bought by the King of Barbary for a very large sum of money which was given to Dick. How do stories, biographies of such famous people help youngsters? They help youngsters to look at life positively. They inspire the youth. They help them find answers to questions. They prove that we can do many seemingly impossible things if we really wish to.